down the middle start. Easily got the one in the corner, but can he get out of the corner? Yes, amazing. Excellent.
16:02. 16.
Excellent. But Dale is next?
Dale's next.
Okay. You're up next, Dale. A little wide there. Found it. But gonna go all the way across the board. Found it. Awesome.
1954. 1954. All right.
Rolling.
Rolling.
Ready?
Sure.
Awesome. Uh-oh. Did it see you? I think it sees you, Dale. You might want to move.
It saw me and got excited.
Yeah. It's like what my robot would do when it would see somebody wearing a bright red jacket.
Am I missing one?
Yep.
Yeah, it went under the table, I think.
It's over here by Dale.
I think I'll sit farther away this time.
Yeah. They might get seen. So I'm going to try and stand as far away from the board as I can.
Merge into the wall.
Yeah. Hopefully I won't see the wall because we can't move the wall.
Now to go up to the tripod.
What's the time?
17.
17.
The first or second run?
Yep. That was outside interference.
Start of the game.
Yeah. There we go. Got its wings spread. Yeah, caught one, pushed one off. Excellent. Uh-oh, the dreaded corner. Give it a little bit of help. There you go. Oh! But you got one off, that was great. Awesome. Good first try. Excellent. Very proud of you.
She can do it again. Everybody gets them all again.
Yep.
Turn it off and turn it back on.
Excellent job. Hopefully you'll have a little better luck on the next try.
Well, it only has one sensor on the bottom and it's back a little bit, so if it goes at too narrow of an angle against the edge, it doesn't get close too late.
It definitely finds the pipes nicely. I'm not used to these metal edges on this thing.
Not to mention the razor blades on it too.
Yeah.
So right now we'll calibrate it again. Find the low speed to turn. Okay, that's straight enough. Oh, missed it.
Almost got it.
That was too long of a turn.
One. You're staying on the table. I don't have to
Yeah.
risk my hands. 2.
Wow, my right turn is way too large. Hopefully, good to know. It's gonna go off. No? This is like my first run at the last robot rally.
3.
Okay, I need to tone down that turn still.
4. 1 left.
It ain't gonna get to it. It's turning too hard. I'll stop at 4.
It'll eventually get it.
I don't think so.
No.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
See?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. We might have. Oh, so close.
I knew it was gonna go off the table.
Alrighty.
All right, we better tone down that turn.
Not a bad run. Not a bad run. 4 out of 5.
Are you gonna need one more run then?